Find the values of the variables that must be excluded for each rational expression. Alright, so when we're dealing with a rational expression, we are not allowed to have division by 0. So to find out what we must exclude, we take the denominator and purposefully set it equal to 0. So I will take n plus 8, the denominator, and set it equal to 0. Solving this equation by subtracting 8 from both sides, we have n is equal to -8. Now just as a check, what if we made the substitution 8 minus 9 over, I'm sorry, it should be -8 minus 9 over -8 plus 8. Notice that does give us -17 divided by 0, which is undefined. So we must exclude n equals -8 from this rational expression. Alright, exercise B, n squared plus 8 over n squared plus 3n minus 10. Again, to find out what we must exclude, we take the denominator, n squared plus 3n minus 10, and set it equal to 0. This trinomial factors as n plus 5 by n minus 2. Using the zero product property, I have n plus 5 equals 0, or n minus 2 equals 0. Subtracting 5 from both sides of the first equation and adding 2 to both sides of the second equation gives us n equals -5 and n equals 2. Let's check our work. If n equals -5, we would have -5 squared plus 8 over -5 squared plus 3 times -5 minus 10, which is 25 plus 8, that's 33, over 25, I'll go ahead and write it out here, I suppose, 25 plus 8 in the numerator, and the denominator is 25 minus 15 minus 10, and that is 33 over 0, which is undefined. And checking n equals 2, we would have 2 square plus 8 over 2 square plus 3 times 2 minus 10. So that's 4 plus 8 over 4 plus 6 minus 10, which is 12 over 0, again undefined when n equals 2. So we must exclude -5 and 2 from this expression. In example C, we have 2t minus 5 over 7. So taking the denominator and setting it equal to 0, we have 7 equals 0. Can 7 ever equal 0? Alright, so that's never true. 7 can't equal 0. So we do not need to exclude any values of the variable. From this expression.